Based upon the tools that I've learned and developed and implemented, my days are less filled with firestorms of how to fix something that no one knows how to do, and more along with being able to come up with the answers that my boss wants to see for how the business runs. Hi, my name is Tom Tomlinson. I'm a CPA. I work and live in the city of Terre Haute, Indiana. I work for a company called Revolution Company. I started that position about 3 months ago. My own frustration with myself has always been feeling like you're not working fast enough or smart enough to get things done. And the job that I was at had ended. We were in a state of transition at home on my jobs and the things I was doing. I thought, how do I get better at what I do? I really need some newer tools to be up to speed and current on. Excel was the place to do that on. There were some things that he taught very early in the program that were pivotal for me for the rest of the course, but I've used extensively over the course of my career since then, specifically as it related to Microsoft Tables. That was huge. Microsoft Pivot Tables, which is huge. And then the SUMIFS command, which I didn't really ever care too much about. But as I've gone more and more in my business and the things that I've done, I've created applications that just make using those tools so much faster at getting the information that's asked for. In the 30 plus years of my career, I'm in a role today that I just really thoroughly enjoy doing. I feel like it's a good match with things that I know, and I've got really good resources here with people that know how to get the data that we're after to begin to put information together. The benefits for me in becoming more proficient in Excel has been the benefit of having additional time to have away from the office doing other things that I enjoy doing. YouTube's pretty good about getting, A plus B equals C. And depending on who's doing it, they are either better or not in the way that they explain it. But I think Excel University, in the way that Jeff has designed it, has been incredible as far as he makes it very simple to understand. He makes it easy to follow. He has great illustrations that he's showing you on the video. And then when it's your turn to actually do the homework, the book's pretty good. I learned so much about the different functions and things within Excel that, for me were great. One of the things my wife and I have worked very hard on is just working on our own personal finances between what comes in and what goes out. And so we've actually developed a weekly meeting that we do that I put together. Basically 3 sheets that I print out that show this is where our money is, this is the bills that we said we're going to pay, these are the bills left to be paid. What used to take hours to put together every week that was so painful to do now can usually be done in about less than 15 minutes a day. And so that's been a huge takeaway for me. I have recommended Excel University to a number of different people. Most recently, one of my other controllers, who was an Excel user, liked it, but just wanted to learn more. I talked specifically about, how good Jeff was, and I had just received a little, 5-minute webinar thing that he did, and so I passed it to her, and she wrote back and said, "This is fantastic." I said, "It really is good. It's worth the money." That's the most recent win on people that I've referred Excel University to. That's been good.